Here I have OPPO Reno 7, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then go to its settings, then find an option no, not a shooting methods. Okay, so you actually don't have to find any option. What you have to do is to just hold down shutter button, and after that it will start to take a burst shot, just like this. So as you can see right now I took like 20 shots, and here we can view all of them, all these 20 shots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.